Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use Canva's magic switch. It's a Canva's new addition, new feature, which uses AI, and I'm going to show you how it transforms your design using AI. So without further ado, let's get started. So I just created few topics, and now, as you can see right here at the top left corner, you can see magic switch. So of course, to use this you need Canva Pro. So that's that, but if you already have it, there's no problem then. So I just created like a thumbnail, how AI is changing the world of digital marketing, exploring the benefits and so on. So what Canva's magic switch will do is actually transform your design into a doc. It can also translate it to another language if you want to, but basically you click right here, and as you can see, your thumbnail, for example, like mine, can be changed to summary, alt text, blog post, email, poem, song lyrics. So what we want to look at, maybe let's click on summary, click transform into summary, and now we're gonna wait a little bit for it to transform it. And as you can see, it already did. So what you want to do is click right here, open. And after that, as you can see, it has created a short summary about understanding the impact of AI on digital marketing. And basically, AI just wrote this text. You can also click magic write and summarize text, rewrite it, sprinkle some fairy dust or fix the spelling, and so on. Now we can also click for example, blog post. It will show more information, and again we have to wait a little bit. So here it just transformed. Let's open it again, and now as you can see, it has created a blog post. So as you can see, it has all of the topics. So you can also maybe change it with magic write too a little bit, and so on. So that's how you use it. Of course, first of all, what you want to keep in mind that you need to be on that page you want to change when you click magic switch. So for example, if I will be on this page, it will change this page, and it will write information about this page. But yeah guys, that's a really cool feature on Canva. You won't need to go to something like ChatGPT and so on. Everything is on Canva right now. So yeah guys, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.